Alright, so good afternoon everyone. My name is Fritz Miller. And first of all, congratulations to all Circle of Excellence awardees. And of course to our Elite Awardees as well. So just wanted to share a little before becoming an H2 2025 Elite Awardee. No? I started with 3 letters only. That's Y-E-S. Always saying to opportunities and being involved to initiatives inside our tower became or paved my way to becoming an H2 Elite Awards. But I didn't stop there. After receiving the Elite Award, I didn't stop growing and look for opportunities that will grow myself. So I became a revenue cycle management mentor under Coursera platform and also proposed some projects on BITS Brainwave, and luckily I got to be approved or converted projects there. And alongside this, I remain active in employee engagement and of course to collaborate with different peoples from our tower. And to the current awardees, my advice is this: don't let this award be your destination, let it be your starting point. And of course, I would like to say thank you to our AMs, OMs, and also to our directors for giving us an opportunity to always showcase ourselves and to support our initiatives. That's all. Thank you.